Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Bank of Jamaica Governor Brian Winter is sending an early warning that Jamaica is close to the point where it is running out of skilled persons. Dashan Hendricks has the details.
Jamaica has been seeing strong numbers in job creation in recent times.
The economy added 29,200 net new jobs over the year to July.
It has pushed the unemployment rate to 11.3%, the lowest it has been in 8 years. The governor says it suggests employment is growing faster than the labor force.
While these numbers are heartening, they also suggest that Jamaica is beginning to approach its capacity limits in terms of skilled labor. It is therefore becoming critical for the country to increase the pool of skilled workers in order to facilitate sustained economic growth without igniting faster inflation.
The issue was raised because the Bank of Jamaica is tasked with ensuring inflation doesn't rise too fast, and a shortage of skilled labor will push up the price of that labor, which could in turn feed inflation. A conundrum for Jamaicans who are used to jobs being short, now being told in a few years we may have more of a certain jobs than people to fill them.
We're not at the point where this is the problem. It's not a risk today, but the lead time to do something about it is now we're coming into the zone where we have to actually make sure we're doing those things.
Mr. Winter said it would be premature at this moment to say what types of jobs would be short, but he's started the conversation to encourage the authorities to create policies to foster training for the jobs to come on board in a few years to avoid a shortage of skilled labor from becoming inflationary. For the Business Day, I am Dashan Hendricks.
Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $126.30. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $99.90. The pound sterling costs $168.13, while the euro is going for $152.43. The Supreme Court has ruled that Lasco Distributors is entitled to $272.9 million in its legal battle with international drug company Pfizer. The figure is below the $300 million Lasco claimed it was entitled to. The figure, which was handed down by the Supreme Court on Friday, is to compensate Lasco for damages it suffered as a result of the injunction that Pfizer obtained against it. It prevented Lasco from selling a generic drug used to treat hypertension. The JSE index closed down more than 2,758 points, while the junior market lost 45. Stocks posting gains include Berger Paints, Siboney Group, Jetcon, Key Insurance, Main Event Entertainment, Seprod, and Supreme Ventures. The losers included 138 Student Living, Cable and Wireless, Caribbean Creams, Express Catering, Jamaica Producers, JMMB Group, NCB Financial Group, Radio Jamaica, and Sterling Investments. And that's the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.